What is up, guys? ParallaxOX here, and today I'm going to show you another part of the obby, the rotating part. So first, you need to put a part in here. Okay, then in the part you put a script in it. Get rid of this. So just put, why did I not get rid of this? Okay, local part equals script dot parent. Okay, now part dot, I think it's, let me find it. Is it like rotate or something? What was it? I think it might be this. 1, 0. So it should rotate on the x-axis. Well, I'm gonna put this in a while. True. And I'm gonna switch this one to 0 because I don't know how it'll work. Okay, and then put an end here. Okay, so if we run this, okay, run. Let's have this run. Just want to see what it does. Finally runs. That's nice. And apparently it's not it. But I think that was the right thing to do. So if I delete and put this as 1, doesn't even keep it there. What was it? Maybe this. Dot orientation. Maybe that'll work. Part dot orientation. So it should go clockwise on the x-axis. No, it doesn't. Oh, I equals vector 3 dot new. There. Now it should do something. Had a little oopsie there. So if we run that, we'll see if that works. Because it wasn't working before. Maybe this will fix it. Hey, it changed the number. Hold on. Oh, I know what it did. Because it's gonna keep doing that. Equals part dot orientation plus vector 3 dot new. me get that plus away from orientation. Then there. Now if we run it, it should work. Because just then I was making it all just keep going one no matter what. And now it should just keep adding one, which will make it turn. Hopefully. We'll find out. I probably should put a weight in there. I need to put a weight in there so I can see what's happening because it's moving so fast. Okay. Weight 1. Okay, let's run for the last time. Hopefully. What is this part doing? Changing the orientation. It's not doing anything. Wait, actually it was. It is doing something. See, it's turning like that. Because the x-axis is up and down apparently. But anyways, you can just change it to Y or Z if you need to go in the opposite direction. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.